Okay, I don't know whether this is going to be a video on its own or I'm going to put this into one of my outfits of the week vlogs, but I have so much stuff in my studio that I have been thrifting over the past while, and I want to I've been meaning to take it home for ages, but I've wanted to show you all first. So while I have a minute, it's evening at the moment if the light is a bit off, I really want to show you everything that I've gotten lately. Yeah, and if it takes forever, I might just make this a separate video. Okay, so I have so much to show you. So I think we'll just go one by one. I won't try anything on, but I still like to kind of see what people have gotten, even if they're not trying it on. So I'll just do the same for you guys. Cool. So first thing we'll start with is, okay, first thing I'll show you are these shoes that I got. I like these kind of vintage brown shoes, and the heels are still in good condition. They were €6. I think I'm probably going to take off this detail, but I think they'll be really cute, like with a kind of like a boot cut jean or something. You see a lot of similar stuff in the shops now, so yeah, I think these were a really good find, and they're high quality, so they should get me through a while. So yeah, that's the first thing. Second thing I picked up was this little vintage kind of evening bag. I was drawn to the kind of, I don't know what you call that, like the kind of chain mail kind of metally fabric. It's so cute, and it's just got a little vintage chain. I think that's just going to be really nice, just, you know, big enough to fit like a phone and a purse and stuff in it. Yeah, really cute. So that was a great find. And what else will I show you? Oh, yeah, pretty basic, just a pair of ASOS denim jeans in the right size, but I think I got these for like €1, and they would be quite expensive obviously to buy new. They've got like a raw edge on them, so I haven't even tried these on yet, but they're my size, so hopefully they'll fit perfect. And yeah, I always try and buy my denim secondhand, so that was a good find. Next thing is this really cute skirt. Really like the pattern detail. It's like a wool that's like a grey wool that's been printed with all this floral designs. I was reminded quite a lot of the kind of Molly Goddard stuff lately, where it's like denim that's been printed with a kind of a faded print on top. So yeah, I really like this, and I think it'll be good to style in the colder months because it's kind of a heavy wool fabric. The brand is Gardeur. Don't know if I'm saying that right, but I would say it's quite an expensive brand to buy new. So yeah, nice find. This is just a simple top from Zara. I kind of can't go wrong with like an evening going out top. I was actually thinking I might upcycle it a bit and add more lace, more black lace to it. It's got the leopard print underneath that black lace there, but I actually think it might look better just kind of on its own. So yeah, I might do a bit of an alteration, kind of upcycling job to it, but I think this is a really cute piece. Did I say that was a Zara top? Next, oh yeah, this is more, I suppose, suitable for summer, but it's just like an open shirt. I think I showed you in a vlog me trying this on a while back. Yeah, these kind of shirts are just so handy for summer. It's got these lovely like pearl buttons. And yeah, stuff like this is really handy for summer. You can see it's quite sheer and it kind of rolls up into nothing, and you can just kind of put it in your bag and protects you from the sun and everything. So not necessarily a winter piece, but I suppose you could style it like for evening out or something. But yeah, let's see. Next, I got this really cute scarf. I've kind of been going through a phase of getting scarves lately. Originally I was thinking I was going to buy loads of knitted stuff and make like a long skirt, which I still might do, but I thought this was really cute just as like an extra kind of... My camera died there, so hopefully you didn't miss anything. But yeah, this is one of the cute little scarves that I got. Actually, I'm going to leave that on because it's pretty cold in here. What else did I get? I got this really cute little vintage cropped jumper with this really nice neck piece. It looks really cute with high-waisted trousers. I'll have to style it someday, then you can see what it looks like. But that's the brand there. Then I got this. This is also built up over like, I don't know, a good while in the studio. This Zara kind of fabric snakeskin like biker jacket. But yeah, it's really kind of like a fun piece. I like that it's fabric, like it's not like faux snakeskin, it's like more of a woven fabric. Yeah, and it fits really nice. It's got like these kind of like, I don't know what you call it, like drop underarm kind of thing going on. Yeah, but it is really nice. Zara basic, and it's a size small, but it fits me okay. Okay, then the kind of like sparkly bits. So I got this top, which you can never go wrong with sparkle. You can never have too much sparkle. This is like kind of like beaded sequin. It's so lovely. The brand is Awear, which was a brand that was in Ireland kind of from like, I don't know from when, but up until like the early 2000s. I don't know if it was anywhere else. Maybe if you remember it, you can let me know. But yeah, I used to shop in there a lot when I was younger, and it's quite nice. Like you kind of sometimes find pieces in the charity shops from there. But yeah, this is lovely because you can kind of wear it in winter, like kind of dress up Christmas or like New Year's celebration, but also these are really handy for summer as a little kind of over piece just to pack when you're going on holidays for styling. So I can never really say no to these. Next piece is this skirt. I think it's vintage and it's just like a stretchy fabric, and this is so perfect. It's so comfy. It's got all the sequins on the outside, but like this kind of real soft inside, and it's just like one big stretchy thing, so it looks really cool, especially with like a jumper over, and it's kind of like hourglass fitting. This is just kind of a staple that you can make work year after year. It's just kind of timeless. That's the brand there. Yes, I think that's vintage. Yeah, but I really like this. And then I got this really cute bag. And yeah, love the detail on that. I think this is going to be so nice, especially in summer. But equally, like if you have a plain outfit on and you have this on, it will just add that little sparkle. Yeah, I really like the details. It's got like 2 different pockets and one at the back too. And it's kind of got like a tie feature. But yeah, it will fit a decent amount. So yeah, really like this bag. Okay, and then lastly, I have these boots. Zara boots. They're faux leather, but I find Zara boots are actually quite well made. And these were only €5 and they're my size. So yeah, I will get a lot of wear of them. They're kind of like a classic shape. Like I don't think they're very trend driven. Like the ones I have on today are kind of quite, you know, trendy, whereas these are kind of more classic, timeless. Yeah, so they're really good find too. And I also have one more thing to show you, which is this jacket. And it's kind of quite similar to a fabric I've thrifted a while ago that I'm making some star bags out of, but it's, I don't know if it's showing up. Maybe if I stand back a bit. It's kind of like this chocolatey brown colour, and it kind of shines quite nice. And kind of just like a basic jacket. I think whatever I had it on with when I was trying it on the shop, I was like, that's so nice. Kind of, I suppose, less with like a bulky jumper under, and more, I think I imagine it more like buttoned up, because I quite like the buttons on it. Yeah, kind of like maybe spring just this buttoned up with like a little skirt or something. It would be really cute because I like the colour and the kind of shape of it. So I think that's pretty much it. The only other thing I thrifted was these 3 really cute little stockings. How sweet are they? I got them in a charity shop, and I think they would be really cute for decorating. So yeah, I got 3 of them. Loads of different styles. I think they were something like $1.50 each, but they're kind of vintagey. Really love this print. So yeah, I thought they were really sweet for just for decorating. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So I don't know how long this is going to be, so it'll either be a separate video or part of another video. But yeah, hope you enjoyed.